Alrighty, corrections for the formative quiz number 12. On the front again, this is a quadratic, so we're going to need to factor it. So I'm going to go back to the diamond and rectangle. For some of us, we need that. So we multiply these two together, we get 8x squared. And then this comes down here, negative 6x. So I'm looking for two numbers that'll add to negative 6 but multiply to negative 8. And those are negative 4x, negative 2x. So in my rectangle then, in my generic rectangle, x squared, positive 8, the two numbers I found. And then I factor vertically and horizontally. So out here, I can pull out an x, which means here is an x as well. And then to the left, I'm going to have to pull a negative 2, since it's negative 2x right here. And then I'm going to have to pull a negative 4. The negative 2 and the negative 4 make a positive 8. So I'm all right there. So I get x minus 2 and x minus 4. If we want it to equal 0, now remember from our zero product property, that means either x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. Some of us are forgetting that. When I add 2, my intercepts are 2. When I add 4, my other intercept is at 4. So the one on the front, the two intercepts are 2 and 4. Now that means for my vertex, I need the number that's exactly between 2 and 4. And that gives me an x value of 3. So my vertex is going to be somewhere on this line. How do I find my y value? I've got to plug it in. 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 8. 9 minus 18 plus 8. That's negative 9 plus 8. That's negative 1. So my vertex is at 3, negative 1. And my y-intercept is when x equals 0. If I plug a 0 back in here, 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 8, it's just 8. So my y-intercept then comes from that c value. So got it here. I can also add its matching partner over here. And now I've got my parabola. On the back, it all starts with factoring. Finding these two x-intercepts. That's the key.